MARSi combines and offers consulting and technical support, research and development, rapid tooling, mold manufacture, injection molding, 3D metal print, and maintenance of plastic injection molding tools. Our production is operating on more than 3,000 square meters of production. Consequently, the number of employees is rapidly growing. We improve our know-how, follow guidelines of ISO 9001 quality standard, and push the boundaries every day. Products made by MARSi stand out in packaging, food, automotive, and other industries. About 85% of MARSi's turnover is generated through export, mostly gained with mass production. IML, in-mold labeling, and 2K injection molding products. Yearly, we produce more than 300 million pieces of high-quality technical products with fully automated manufacturing processes, equipped with machines, robots, packaging units. As we realize your ideas, shape them, and turn them into final products, our product research and development department, as well as prototyping, are of great importance. MARSi is equipped with the EOS machine using DMLS, the latest and most advanced technology for 3D metal print. Our trademarked brand name is E-Conformal, mold parts implemented in customers and our tools, improving quality of the final product and reducing cycle time up to 70%. Maintenance of plastic injection molding tools is very important and essential for constant and high quality of the final products. Our qualified tool makers check every tool prior to delivery and deliver them together with service reports, checklists, and pictures showing before and after status. Our customer satisfaction is our first priority, and that is why MARSi invests in equipment, new technology, and process improvement, focusing on developing its services to the fullest potential, creating healthy and friendly working environment for our workers, and expanding even further to our long-term goals.